back? In the middle right there?
No. It looks like the same as the rest of his body.
Hold this. Real quick.
Yeah.
Show us your new moves.
Yay! You did it!
Yay!
Good job. One more time.
You're such a big boy. Oh
Yay!
my gosh. Yay! You're just a show off now.
Look at his belly hanging over the edge.
I know.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
And it begins. Yay! You're trying to find you. Okay, one-handed now, huh?
All right.
This could be bad.